what's up? This is Alex, Track Guide Station. We are in Austin, Texas. I'm saying we because I'm picking up my buddy in a minute. But we're heading to Horesepower on the Hill. I think it's at St. Edward's College. Well, I'm a little worried about the turnout because it has started sprinkling, and I don't know if it's going to dump or if people's man cars are going to get removed and they're going to leave. So, I'm not really sure. But when you know you're at a car enthusiast's house. All that horsepower there. I got my GoPro on, so I'm gonna drive and just get like pretty Temple.
You went to the
Yeah. I remember seeing you there. Yeah. He had pink eye when I saw him the last time. He must rub his face in cat fur or something.
That's fucked up.
Well, I'm just trying to figure out, like,
you're on camera too.
How do you have crusty eyeballs? Like, I shouldn't say that because it's gonna be
recording. How do you have crusty eyeballs?
Well, it's true. I mean, I'm not being mean. I'm just making an observation. I kind of like Porsche Panteras.
Holy shit, there's a lot of Mustangs here.
That Mustang's... Is that the drift one or whatever?
Yeah. He's a drifter.
You're on camera. Oh.
Now I kind of wish I brought my
CTSVs, man. I want a wagon. Cattle.
Dude, there's one right here. There's a wagon right here.
Where?
Right there, blue one.
The blue one?
Yeah, blue one's a wagon.
That's fucking ball.
Oh damn! Look at that.
I heard they're small on the inside though.
Yeah, I don't even care. That LSA. Okay. Yeah. Like you don't even know where to park.
What's this all about?
There's like, where can you park?
I'm gonna park here. I just don't want to piss anyone off, you know. Like,
No.
park somewhere else. Oh, right there. Right? Or is that douchey?
Let's see.
Oh, there's an Infinity over there. I'll go right next to that guy.
Next to the line of Evos.
The all-wheel drive section?
Oh yeah.
Right.
Yeah, that works.
I'm the only GTR here.
Yeah, so you are.
Right here.
Fuck it. Just right here.
This guy's got a dog in there. His crisis dog. When I have like serious camera hop. Did you just say you wanted a cockatoo? A cock or two? That's a lot of them.
That's a lot of carbon.
And that car's freaking slammed as fuck. Oh, you know what? I saw this at Bubble Tea.
On this dumb shit for way too long, so we missed the real picture when we're glued to our phone. It's like the system wants to make a generation of clones, so we can all stay within their lands. In reality, they trying to control our minds, make us feel like we need a pair of Calvin Kleins. Kinda sad how a brand is controlling our lives, and really, we just want what Kanye's got. So we go out and get what Kanye's got. We see them happy and famous and try to live their life. They got us thinking that success is wearing some Nikes, and honestly, I can't stand rappers today making all this shit music, claiming they in a wave. To the fans that everything they dropping his flames, but only sold a bunch of records because of their names, and we're not stupid. I can see right through their lies. I guess that's kind of the reason that all he raps in the rise. I'm so sick of all this bullshit I'm coming to find, cause it's taking the place of real art like, man.
It's every they trick our minds to get what they want. We're so sick of being used. Will be no
That's a sleeper if I ever saw one. That's cool. No, it's not very lopey.
Compared to mine.
That one's all quiet.
I know, right?
Tune into the Drag Station at Horsepower on the Hill. Hopefully you liked the video, and definitely subscribe below.